Hey there, fellow commuters. If you're living in the Seattle area and rely on your Orca card for buses, trains, or ferries, you know how essential it is to keep it topped up. With the 2025 updates, adding money has gotten even easier and more convenient. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Orca card ready and access to a device or location that supports reloading. The most straightforward way is through the official Orca website or mobile app. Start by downloading the app if you haven't already. It's free and available on both iOS and Android. Once you're in, log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up quickly. It'll only take a minute. Now, navigate to the Add Value section in the app or on the website. Enter the amount you want to add. Options typically range from $5 to $100, and select your payment method. You can use a credit card, debit card, or even link your bank account for seamless transactions. After confirming, the funds should appear on your card almost instantly if you're online. If you prefer the in-person route, head to any major transit station with an Orca vending machine. Insert your card, follow the on-screen prompts to add value, and pay with cash, card, or contactless options. For 2025, there's a new feature. You can also add funds directly at select retail locations like grocery stores that partner with Orca. One quick tip. Always double-check your balance after adding funds to avoid any surprises. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, contact Orca customer support through their app or website. They're super helpful. And remember, keeping your card updated helps reduce wait times at stations. There you have it. Adding money to your Orca card in 2025 is simple and efficient. Give it a try next time you need to reload, and you'll be zipping around Seattle in no time. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more transit tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.